What's up guys, hope you guys are doing well today. So, long time no see, it's been around a month since my last upload, but honestly, for the better, right? I've been way more disciplined, way more consistent, and just I've been trading correctly, right? So as you guys seen by the title, if I go on my Apex right now, account was graduated and has been closed. Congrats, you will be moving to the Apex Live Funded program. So, I just received this email, I go check my notifications, and they said, I'm moving to live. First of all, I just requested one payout, and I'm already live. I don't understand. That's first of all. Second of all, they closed all my PA account, so now even when I try to log into my into my Apex's account, I can't even log into them, right? If I go to payout history, it says requested payout number, 1 payout. Normally they take up to 6 payout. So after 1 payout they move me to live. Right now I'm doing this video. I didn't want to do a video like that, right? I wanted to do more like, what's up guys, been a long time. Look at this payout I just landed, show a little bit of recap and talk with you guys, right? But I don't get it. 1 payout requested, they didn't even send me the link to plane yet, right? Since I'm a international, since I need to receive the payout internationally, right? Anyway, they say, okay, I approved the payout. They already took the funds out of the account, right? Since I checked today. But then I check here, blown. I go into my noti, red, 4 hours ago, so 9, yeah. And they say, congrats, you're moving to live. So right now, what's gonna happen is, same thing as Tradeify. If you guys go, how long was it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 video ago, Tradeify moved me to live, and the same thing is gonna happen. Since I reside in Canada, Quebec, they're gonna tell me, you can't trade with us. So, I will be banned. Same thing with Tradeify. One of the best firm. They said, you can no longer purchase any account with us and you're banned. So now the same thing is gonna happen with Apex probably. I mean 100%. But I just don't get it. After 1 payout, I'm moving to live. And what sucks is, I'm a nobody, right? I barely have 100 subscribers, so they won't even care, right? Now the problem is, are they gonna pay me out? That's my biggest concern. Look, you want me to go live after 1 payout, whatever, right? But will they pay me? That's the real question. Still, it sucks. I had everything planned out from payout 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I really don't know what to say. Now I sent them an email and I asked them, what's happening? Why did you close my account and move me to live after 1 payout? And when will I receive my payout, right? So we'll see what they say, what will they respond, but it just sucks. You know, I'm being disciplined, consistent and everything. Go live, I don't care, right? That's what basically they're saying. And I get it. Maybe I traded actually super well, so they moved me to live. I guess, same thing as Tradeify. I just hope they pay me out. That's my biggest concern right now. Because no way I spent around a month since the last video grinding my Apexes just to not get a payout and get moved to live, which will get obviously denied. Obviously I can't no longer use Apex, obviously. And now I have to go look for another prop firm again, most likely take profit, and the same thing is gonna happen with take profit. So yeah, I mean, this video is just me ranting right now. We'll see what's gonna happen. I'll keep you guys updated. I really didn't want to do a video like that, but I have to keep you guys informed. So yeah, we'll see if they pay me out. That's my biggest concern. And if I go live, then 100% I can't go live since I reside here. So most likely I'll have to open take profit. Or if they pay me out, we'll see what I can do. Maybe go somewhere where my transition to live with Trade of 8 will be accepted, but not here. That's basically what I have to say, guys, in this video. And like I said, it's not like I'm a big influencer or something, right? I'm a nobody, especially if I didn't even record YouTube. They'd probably just not even pay me out, maybe. Or just go live, then they close you out, and I'm no longer welcome to Apex. So I really don't know what's gonna happen. Like I said, I sent the email, so we'll see what they respond. But yeah, meanwhile, I don't have any accounts. My take profit, the 525k, they're already passed. I just have to trade them 2 more days. But today, I didn't trade it since I was waiting for the payout. I didn't want to mess up anything. Tomorrow, I can't even trade since I don't have any accounts left. So yeah, I don't know what to say. I mean, here, let's go to payout. I don't want to go too much, so I don't show you guys by accident the password or something. Payout approved, everything. April 12, April 13. I requested last Friday, Friday night, the payout, and I think they accepted it. Well, I don't know, it says approved, but I really don't know what's gonna happen yet. And all the accounts are gone, so yeah. So that was for this video, the rant I had to say. If you guys have an idea or know something, let me know. Hopefully they just pay me out. Look, you wanna push me to live, which obviously I can't because I'll get denied. I know I'm repeating myself. Go ahead. I'll figure something out. I'll go with another prop firm. It sucks. It really sucks because it was such a good prop firm. 20 accounts, max payout. Another 5 trading days. Here, 1 to 2 other weeks, 100% I would have gotten another max payout with them too. That's whatever. As long as they pay me out, then I'll go ahead and see what I can do. But that's the problem right now. Because even, for example, if I was to take profit all this time, at some point they're gonna move me live too, right? Same thing is gonna happen with Tradeify. Your access, your transition to live was denied by Trade of 8, and so on. So what's the solution? Well, open a live account obviously, or dip from here so I can actually transition to live. There's one remaining thing that I can do, and it's Top Step, but I hate trading on their platform. TradingView is just way better for everything. I prefer TradingView, but obviously I have no choice. Top Step might be the move. Top Step might be the move. So I'll keep you guys updated whenever they respond, or whenever the payout lands. If it lands, I'll drop another video, and from there I'll see what's the next step. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.